Elevate your game, mastering English phrases. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting English phrase that can really spice up your conversations. Have you ever heard someone say they need to elevate their game? It's a phrase that's as dynamic as it sounds. So, let's unpack its meaning and use it to boost our English skills. Elevate your game is a metaphorical phrase that essentially means to improve or enhance your performance or skills in a particular area. The word elevate literally means to lift or raise something up, implying a movement towards a higher level. And game, in this context, doesn't just refer to sports. It can mean your performance in any area, be it professional skills, academic knowledge, or personal development. The phrase, elevate your game, likely has its roots in the world of sports, where the term, game, directly refers to one's performance in a sport. However, over time, the phrase has transcended the sports arena and is now used in various contexts. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to improve a hobby, elevating your game means pushing your boundaries and striving for excellence. Using elevate your game in conversation isn't just about sounding cool. It's about conveying a meaningful message. For example, if a friend is studying for an exam, you might say, "It's time to elevate your game to ace that test." Or in a workplace, a manager might encourage their team to elevate their game to meet the company's growing standards. Let's put elevate your game into action with some examples. After receiving feedback, Lisa knew she had to elevate her game to become a better writer. The coach encouraged the team to elevate their game before the championship, emphasizing the need for rigorous practice. In the rapidly changing tech industry, professionals often need to elevate their game to stay ahead. Elevate your game is more than just a phrase, it's a call to action. It's about lifting yourself to new heights, embracing challenges, and continuously seeking improvement. Whether in your personal life, your studies, or your career, remembering to elevate your game can be the motivation you need to push forward. So, keep striving, keep improving, and let your journey of learning English be a part of your game to elevate.